Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a text box in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here. So to insert a text box or a new text box, all you can do is just come to insert right here. So now you have that insert. Now if you look here, we have this text box, right? So click on that and then you have this. So now you can just drag it and then as big as you want it. Then as you can see, you have inserted your text box right there. That's your text box. So now if you were to start typing in here, you can write something in there, right? They just say maybe tutorial, right? You can type something in there, and then as you can see, that's the background. So you can format it however you want to. As you can see, we have these format tools right here. So now if you wanted to change the background, you can change it. You can change the background of your text box right there. Or if you don't want it to have a background, you can click on no fill. You can also change the shape outline and then give it some border right there, right? So you can format it and then you can also resize it. Let's say to that, then maybe fill it out with a color, right? So that's how you can add a text box into Microsoft Excel. So yeah, it's really simple. So yeah, that's it. And then as you can see, you can be able to move it around wherever you want to put it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. And if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.